If you're choosing between ownCloud and Seafile, watch this before you decide. Because this isn't just cloud storage versus cloud storage. It's features and collaboration versus speed and efficiency. ownCloud focuses on file syncing, sharing, and collaboration tools. It offers user management, access controls, and a familiar cloud experience for teams and businesses. Many organizations use it because it feels closer to a complete collaboration platform. But here's the catch. It can feel heavier and consume more server resources as deployments grow. Seafile takes a different approach. It's designed around efficient file syncing and performance, with strong handling of large libraries and lower resource usage. Many self-hosters praise it for being fast and lightweight, especially on lower-powered servers. The downside is that its ecosystem and collaboration features are smaller than what ownCloud offers. So which one should you choose? Choose ownCloud if you want file storage with stronger collaboration tools and integrations. Choose Seafile if you want fast syncing, lower resource usage, and efficient self-hosted storage. Bottom line, for most users focused purely on file storage and syncing, Seafile often delivers a better experience because of its speed and efficiency. But if you want a broader collaboration platform with more features around your files, ownCloud may be the better fit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.